Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 4. How are you? Open your book Oxford Progressive English, page number 14. Here we are with unit 3. We are going to study the Jungle Book. Dear students, in this lesson we will read about the story of Mowgli, a young boy who lived in a jungle with so many animals, and he raised by wolves. He lived with wolves. There is a mother wolf who takes care of Mowgli. Dear students, look at the picture. He is Mowgli, and this is Sher Khan, an evil tiger, and Mowgli saves the jungle from this evil tiger. And this is the conversation between Sajid and Imran. They are talking about the story, The Jungle Book. So let's read the conversation and answer this question, that what do Imran and Sajid agree or disagree about? Sajid is saying, "What are you reading?" Imran, I am reading The Jungle Book. It's a story about a young boy who grows up in the jungle. Sajid, with his parents? Imran, no, he doesn't have any parents. He grows up with the jungle animals. Sajid, what animals are in the book? Imran, there is a tiger, a group of monkeys, a bird, a panther, a snake. Sajid, I hate snakes. Imran, really? I don't. I think snakes are beautiful. Sajid, I like animal stories. Imran, so do I. The plot of the book is quite exciting. Sajid, what happens? Imran, Mowgli, the main character, escaped from the monkey people. Then, in the end, he escaped from the village people. So, dear students, here Sajid was asking to Imran that what are you reading? And Imran told Sajid that he was reading The Jungle Book, and story of a young boy who grows up in jungle. And Sajid is asking that what is so exciting in this story? Like what happens? What is this special thing in this story? Then Imran replies to Sajid that Mowgli escaped from the monkey people and then he escaped from the village people. That means Mowgli escaped from the jungle and he came back to the jungle, and then he fight for his animal protection. Dear students, here in this conversation there are certain things that Imran likes and Sajid doesn't like. But also there is something that both like. Dear students, come to the exercise number 2. Match the words to their meaning. Here are 2 boxes. In this box there is some words, and in this box there is meaning of these words. Now we have to first that what are these words. Dear students, here are 5 words: title, plot, character, setting, author. These are related to the story. First, we have to understand these words, then we have to understand the meaning of these words, and we have to make a link between the word and this meaning. So, dear students, title means the name of the story. For example, this is a story and this is the title. Okay? The Jungle Book is a title. Dear students, number 2, plot means the place where the story happens. So that plot doesn't mean that any house or any ground. It is means that what is the story about, what we are reading in this story. So the plot of this story is the jungle, the animals of the jungle. Okay? So characters. Characters means the people in the story. We call characters. There's Mowgli, Mother Wolf, a Shere Khan, Tiger. These are the characters. Okay? So, number 4, setting. Setting means the events in the story. So, this setting doesn't mean the mobile phone setting or any graphic settings. This settings means how the story, how the life of the characters is going, what happens in the story. Okay? So, number 5 is author, the writer of the story. That means who wrote the story? Any person. So, the writer of the Jungle Book story is Rudyard Kipling. He wrote the story, The Jungle Book, the story of the Mowgli. So, dear students, I hope you understood that what is the title, plot, character, setting, and author. And make a link between words and their meanings and show me the picture. And dear students, in exercise number 1, there is a question that what do Imran and Sajid agree? So you have to read this conversation again and practice this conversation and find out the answer of this question. It is your homework to find out the answer of this question, that what do Imran and Sajid agree? Write down the question in your notebook and write down the answer of this question in your notebook and send it to me. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. We'll meet again with another interesting lesson. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care.